What's the meaning of cuboid? Cuboid. Cuboid.
Cuboid. Cuboid. A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape that looks like a box or rectangular prism. It has 6 flat faces, where each face is a rectangle. The length, width, and height of a cuboid are all different dimensions. To find the volume of a cuboid, you multiply the length, width, and height together. The formula for finding the surface area of a cuboid is 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH, where L, W, and H represent the length, width, and height of the cuboid respectively. Cuboids can be found in many everyday objects such as TVs, refrigerators, and books.